Hello children, you have already completed till page number 41. So for today we'll start with page number 42. Interesting words. English language is forever changing. New words appear and the old ones fall out of use. A part. Now there are certain blanks given. In this blank, a letter or a group of letters, you have to write a letter or a group of letters so that it completes the first word. Like there is a word given in the beginning, you have to add a word so that it completes a word, and there is a word given after the blank. So this blank should satisfy the prefix as well as the suffix. The first one is already done for you, so it will help you to find out how you have to do it. M-O-N-H-O-L-E, that's whole, man and whole. So if you write key here, this word becomes monkey and this word becomes keyhole. Similarly, let's start with number 2, bro and nick. So we'll write a word beat. So it becomes bro beat, which means like you threaten somebody or someone and you force them to do something. And the second word is beatnik. Now beatnik is generally a young person in 1950s or 1960s who did not accept the society's customs and principles, and this thing was shown by the way they dressed and behaved. Next, C-O-V-R-I-N-G. So we'll write E-R. So it becomes cover and erring. So cover, we all know what cover is. And erring means to be wrong or to do something wrong. A-N-I-N-G. So we'll write head here. This word becomes a head and the second word becomes heading. Ahead means, you all know, moving a step forward than the others, and heading means moving towards a particular direction. The first word is, we'll write IN, the first word becomes begin and the second word is inner. We'll write man here, this becomes human and this becomes manage. We'll write K here, the first word is leak and the second word is kill. Now B, you have to match the Sanskrit words with their meanings. So 10 Sanskrit words are there and we have meanings given. So we have to match the Sanskrit word with the correct meaning. Number 1 is Vedas. We'll match it with C, knowledge. Samhitas, collection. Tapas, heat. Tantra, weave. Smriti, recollection. Raga, singing style or rag or raga. Nyaya, justice. Prana, breath. Guru, teacher. Avatar, its incarnation. So this page finishes here. Let's move on to the next page now. Page number 43, newspapers. Newspapers have become an essential part of our life. Through them, we know what is happening in our area, in our country or in the world. A part, write the language in which these newspapers of our country are published. Number 1, Dainik Jagran, it's published in Hindi. Hindustan Times, English. Indian Express, English. Times of India, English. Dainik Bhaskar, Hindi. Jan Shakti, Bengali. Sandesh, Gujarati. Nagrik, Kannada. Deshbhimani, Malayalam. Surya Prabha, Odia. Chardi Kala, Punjabi. Hind Samachar, Urdu. Prajasatam, this is Telugu. Dinathanti, Tamil. B part, match the contents of the newspaper with their functions. Number 1 is article, match it with D. Article is a piece of writing on a particular topic. Supplement, separate section of the same paper. Editorial, opinion expressed by the editor. Obituary, a notice of someone's death. Review, critical report of a recent event. Classified, subject-wise, compactly arranged advertisements. We'll read this no more. In the 2nd and the 3rd centuries, the Chinese circulated newspaper sheets among the court officials. Now, page number 44, books and their authors. Number 1, given below are the names of famous books, or you can say plays, and on the other side we have their authors, so we have to match them. Number 1 is given as Merchant of Venice, William Shakespeare, City of Joy, Dominic Lepire, One Day Wonders, Sunil Gavaskar, Silas Marner, George Eliot, The Bachelor of Arts, R.K. Narayan, China Passage, John Kenneth Galbraith, A Suitable Boy, Vikram Seth, A Voice for Freedom, Nayanthara Sehgal, A Week with Gandhi, Louis Fisher, A Woman's Life. Now, this is actually a French word. It's given in French. So, how do we pronounce it? Guy de Maupassant. This is read as, or you can say pronounced as, Guy de Maupassant. Next, The Age of Reason, Jean-Paul Sartre. Shape of Things to Come, this is J. H. G. Wells. The Bubble, Mulk Raj Anand. The Old Man and the Sea, Ernest Hemingway. The Castle, Franz Kafka. Valley of Dolls, this is S. Jacqueline Suzanne. The Class, this is E. Now, how do you read? This is in German. How do you read it? It's Erich Byron. Erich Byron. The Clown. Now, again, this is in German. How do we read it? Heinrich Ball. This is Heinrich Ball. Next, Comedy of Errors. Match it with I. William Shakespeare. The Communist Manifesto, matched with F. Karl Marx.